this new, something as perfect and pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe, but you think my heart's not there. Cause it's been a while, you keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something, yes, I know we've been together for so long.
Hi guys, today I'll be doing a Barbie-inspired updo hairstyle, and I have two braids going to the back, and I'm just gonna go in and just put these in two ponytails.
You're perfect, perfect, pretty, 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 sweet. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of time. You keep saying you're afraid of time. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty to be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect, perfect, pretty, pretty.
These are the hair I'll be using to give me the Barbie effect, and I'm just gonna go in and crochet the hair under the braids.
Even in the morning, everything you do, opposite years, 100 more to pretty, pretty. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty to be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love. So don't worry about me. Don't worry. Oh, yes, I know we've been together for so long. I can't see. After these years, I'm still here. We grow. Give me your love. So don't worry about me. 'Cause I still.
Now that I've finished crocheting the hair, I'll be braiding the hair, and I'm doing it loosely because I'm going for that butterfly look. As you can see here, I'm just pulling the hair to give me the butterfly look, and you want to make sure the hair is loosely when you're braiding it backwards to get that butterfly look. Now that I reach the end of the braid, I'm just going to plait it halfway, then I wrap it around the ponytail.
You have been even more than I could dream of. Every joy.
Now I'm going to go back and pull the hair a little more to get it as messy as it can be. I don't like when it looks so uniform, so I'm just doing it until I get the desired look. And I'll be doing the same thing to this side, and as you can see, I'm crocheting the hair black and pink, different from what I did to the other side. It's much easier doing it this way.
Wait and see how my arms hold you forever. There's no way you've wasted time with me. I feel my dreams for us coming true. We build a space for me and you, so the things that I will vow will mean everything to me. I'm ready to be a home for you. I'm ready to chase all my dreams and hopes with you. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and
now I'm gonna go in and make a messy ponytail.
I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and
now I'm using the dowel to wrap the hair around just to give me some curly pink and black hair. I immerse the hair in hot water.
As you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be your, vow to love you.
Now I'm going in and crocheting a few strands of the hair you are, but guys, this is always an optional step. You can go with this yourself if it's something you want to do without all this extraness.
We grow stronger, see I need your love, so don't worry about me.
And here you have the finished look of the inspired Barbie Updo messy bun hairstyle, guys. So if you like this video, guys, feel free to like, share, subscribe, and do all the good stuff you all. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys. Bye.
Stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of time. You keep saying you're afraid of time. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know.